Captiva Island. It's Sunday, August 2nd. Look at that pelican just relaxing. Definitely not as calm as yesterday. It rained for a little bit, but no major storm. It's technically low tide. So far, not impressed with low tide on Captiva. High tide has been a lot better. So all we got is the old shell line from earlier. So I'm just gonna browse through the old shell line. It is what, 7 o'clock, honey? So there's a few people on the beach. I think that quick
6:53.
6:53. I think that quick rain shower got everyone off the beach, and they're a little slow to return. But sun is set is like what, 8:25 tonight. Oh, there goes the pelican. Beautiful. So yeah, I was all excited, low tide, but the slow tide's got a little to be desired. That's it. I have not seen this clam, tiger stripe clam, a smaller version. These are Venus clams. Bless you, Robert. We went and had a great lunch at Doc Ford's. Then we went to Bailey's General Store to get some fishing gear for Robert and some desserts for the room. We're just relaxing in the room, and now we're looking for more shells, my favorite pastime. You see how like these are all covered? This is from like high tide from earlier. I hope it didn't cover all the shell piles. But you see, honey, you see there's a thin layer of sand. That's from the high tide from earlier. It's covering up the rack line from yesterday. Just picking up some plain old cockles. And this one's kind of pink. And there's a hole in it. They're good for craft stuff. There was a shell pile down there earlier. I'm not for sure that I see it. It might have got washed away by high tide. Itty bitty crab hole. It's gonna be a baby crab. There's 2 people, 3 people, 4. Yeah, there's people over there. Probably fishing. I mean, there's birds too, so. But I see people. actually feeling the bugs bite. This is the first time this trip that I'm getting bit by bugs. Ah, he's a funny one. It's very pretty. Alright, this is Captiva Island, Sunset Beach.